guys, so this video I want to revisit this old painting I did. It was one of my favorite ones. Initially it started out as a black canvas. I watched this Bob Ross episode and he did this painting where he had a black canvas painted with black gesso and then he covered it with sap green. And I don't remember if liquid clear as well, but the idea was that he took a fan brush and created loaded the fan brush with yellow, and then when he put his little designs up on the canvas, they turned this yellowish greenish color because they had the sap green on there. So I tried to do it. It didn't really work for me, so then I just went my own direction with it, and this was the result of that. It was a pretty good painting, I think. The clouds on the right, you could see like the sky is divided in half with certain style of clouds on the left, and then on the right, I like the ones on the left. I wish I had done that for the whole thing, just those like indications of you know, clouds that are like not really traditional shapes, just more of designs. But on the right, they're kind of over blended, and they lack, in my opinion, they just lack definition a little bit, but that's that. So then you can see I have the layers of faraway trees. I have about 3 layers, I think. And then my favorite part of this painting is the little pond there in the middle with the cliffs and the waterfall. I just had an idea to do that, make it yellow. I'm not really good at the details of the cliffs. It's confused because when you first put them on, you just have like a mass of brown paint in a cliff shape, but then when you add the highlights, that's when you get the little indentations and stuff. It's hard to picture how that should be for me. I like the way that the meadow or whatever, the lay of the land there, I think I did a good job with that. There's different planes there. The trees are okay, the major trees. I could have come real in the foreground and put like another plane up close, like some big trees over here up in the front, to push everything even farther back. But I think it looks good as it is. So and then my highlights on the trees, they could be better, but they're not the worst. My water lines are okay. A lot of these things were done, spur of the moment. Well, the whole thing is spur of the moment. It's not planned out, but sometimes it's hard to, when you put something in, then you think of something else that you should have done first before doing that other thing. So that's when things can look out of place. But up in the front here, I put a little hill. You can see that. And still one of my favorite paintings I've done. Overall, I think it's good. Could definitely be better, as they all can. And then it's one of my better signatures that I've done. So yeah, that's this painting, predominantly yellow, green, brown. And usually when I try to do what Bob Ross is doing, it doesn't work, and then I go off and do my own thing and it works a lot better. So that was the case here, and that's gonna be it for this video. Check out my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.